Welcome. Bird Divert is the first optically clear UV absorbing and reflective marker that actually absorbs both UV and visual light up to 420 nanometers. The reason it works so effectively is that technically it is both a UV and a visual light deterrent. How do we know this? Through studies, it is thought that humans cannot see below 420 nanometer light. Our research concentrated not only on the UV spectrum, but also the low-end spectrum of the light spectrum. The film absorbs 100% of the UV spectrum light. The visual light spectrum is significantly blocked below 420 nanometer, which creates a visual light deterrent. This is why Bird Divert is superior to the other available UV products. Clearly, we're not just UV.